and it ended up leaking on this union on the bottom. So I'm gonna try and loosen that and clean it off and put it back together maybe if I can. If not, I'm gonna cut it here and cut it there and put couplers and just redo that.
Sun crawls up slow through the canyon haze. Cold steel waiting where the frost still lays. Boot in the gravel, coffee in hand. First cut of morning in stubborn land. Bucket swings low like an old church bell. Echo through hollows where the coyotes yell. Some men pray and some men wait. Some men dig through dirt and slate.
There's a white truck parked by the cedar line, painted letters worn by time. John Ray Excavation on the door in red, where the hard ground breaks and the pipe runs fed.
Hey, it's me again, John Ray Excavation. I'm up here at an HOA, got to fix a water leak. I'm just gonna set up the tripod. There's a bunch of people standing over there. I don't really want to record them, but yeah, it's a water leak. They couldn't get anybody else up here to do it, so I was able to squeeze them in. I actually have to push another job off till Saturday, which is tomorrow, to get them done. But that way this RV park can have water over the weekend. But they should be able to get it fixed, no problem. Shouldn't be a big deal. But man, it's sure is beautiful out here. You see the lake. Yeah, pretty. Anyway. Okay, we were able to dig it up. It's so here's where the valve was. It's like in the mud here, but it's a stop and waste, 2-inch stop and waste. Such giant. And then there's all these manifolds, these T's coming off of it, and it ended up leaking on this union on the bottom. So I'm gonna try and loosen that and clean it off and put it back together maybe if I can. But I want to look at it, see if it's cracked. If not, I'm gonna cut it here and cut it there and put couplers and just redo that. Well, we were able to get it fixed, I think. Since it's PVC, we had to glue fittings on. We're gonna let it, because it's not really affecting much, just RVs for the weekend. We're gonna let it sit overnight, and the park manager is gonna bury this. He's gonna turn it on slowly and make sure it works and then bury it. So hopefully it's hopefully it's working and we don't have to come back out. But if we do, I guess we do. With PVC, you kind of never know if it's going to seal up right, but we did our best to try and keep everything perfect and clean and put together good. I think letting it cure overnight is going to be the best move. So, all right, catch you on the next one.